still don't have the answer to it all. Everyone knows and nobody believes it. When will you have your wake-up call? Tear down the wall.